Go 1, and up. 2, and up.
It's time to bust a move. A professional dance instructor is bringing rhythm and energy to Beaufort Elementary School with a week-long hip-hop dance workshop for students in all grade levels.
I'm teaching each class the main foundations of hip-hop from start to finish, to understand your fundamentals, to get them to understand how to start up for where you want to go for hip-hop and whatnot. Give them a little taste of how hip-hop is.
The students are learning a variety of different dance moves.
It was probably the Tom and Jerry because with your arm moves, you kind of like push while you move your leg, kind of. It's like you're pushing away something. Like if you're in the water, you push something away.
We just step to this way and then we would jump up and clap. That was my favorite one since we got to jump a little bit higher than the other ones.
Simpsons move because it's like slide away from something and then you slide away back, and I just really like it and it's pretty cool.
Every student is taking part in 3 to 4 40-minute dance sessions. The professional instructor is also talking to them about the art of dance, from techniques to creative expression.
I'm teaching them the ways to interact what the artist is saying or rapping. I'm teaching the ways to hit certain musical instruments in the background while the artist is singing or rapping. And I'm also teaching them like the way that a song is being played. That's how your vibe and connection to the music is going to be. So some songs are going to be slow, you're going to be very slow with your movement. Some songs are hype and fast, you're going to be moving nonstop. So just different ways to stay connected with any type of music that's being played.
This is the second year in a row the instructor has worked with the students. They're excited he's back so they can learn new moves and show off what they remember.
I think this is cool because you get to move around and like do cool stuff and like learn how to dance. I mean, it's pretty cool. I really like it.
He gets to express his like feelings with the songs he goes by, and it's really cool how before he goes over it, I could see him tapping on his hands because he knows like the beat over and over again.
This hip-hop dance workshop is sponsored by the Arts Center of Coastal Carolina. At Beaufort Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School
1,
District.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.